Analysis of electronic health records to forecast probable disease outbreaks. Group members Khadija Akhtar, Mehdi Islam and Shariful Alam. Supervisor Professor Dr. Khodakar Habibul Kabir. Introduction. Medical data is often large, complex and disorganized, which makes it difficult to integrate and analyze. Our main goal is to contribute to public health by building a software system that could help the presentation and control of epidemics. References 3.5. This could be possible through the application of results of data analysis features in the system. Such as analysis would be executed on disease cases records gathered in the system from various sources. Our proposed project can work as a container holding information about the patient and a tool for aggregation clinical data and offers predictive analysis of disease outbreaks. Scope. Here in this project, there are for both analysis and finding of essential data can be needed for proper medical diagnosis. Data of medical uses, data of prescriptions, previous medicines records. Forecast probable disease outbreaks, avoided or misuse of antibiotics, common disease. Objectives. The objectives of this project are to analyze common medicines used and identify critical disease happens in past years, to forecast probable disease outbreaks through critical data analysis. Literature review. Multiple search were conducted in Google Scholar, PubMed, CDC, WHO or publication websites and Bangladesh Journal Online to identify articles related HER visualization techniques of patients' records, ABR and disease forecasting technique published between 2014 and 2019. Some popular similar apps, Google Flu Trenders GFT, it provides estimated of influenza activity by aggregating Google search queries, as is counts queries only, so most of this time it's overestimated and overshoot almost 30 to 50% of the real number of flu happen, which is big problem of this process. Outbreak Watch. It analyzes data from social networks by evaluating keywords that are considered to be indicative of outbreaks, as the data from social networking sites are not always public and authentic. So, the prediction is not accurate, mostly. Our proposed project will be able to predict disease outbreak more accurately and timely by analyzing real data, as we are building a LMD, lifeline of medical data, to collect and store genuine electronic health records. Problem statement and motivation. Every year, a large number of people died for sudden outbreaks of epidemic disease. In Bangladesh, WHO is providing technical support for strengthening of integrated disease surveillance, early warning and response system. From a thorough literature review, Survivor, we found that few clinical like Square and Lebed already storage patients' clinical history, but there is an individual practice and costly to implement. From A to I, we found that our health ministry is willing to accept projects on healthcare upgradation and lifeline implementation, which is a motivational factor of this project. Methodology. Initiate the idea of project. Name of the idea as lifeline of medicine data. Literature review. Survey, building hypothesis, possible solution, funding, data collection data through our common platform LMD, data from our outside, and data mapping and categorizing, develop ERD, design database, ensure data security. Count. Data analysis defines right data, develop an algorithm translate and on possible outcome. This is our possible outcome. The possible outcome may be socio-economic impact of possible outcome. There is a very good socio-economic development in our site. Thank you.